Well, as predicted, it rained like cats and dogs this morning. It's about 3:20. It's just clearing up, so I'm burning a few mixes for my friends at the cheese shop. When I get done burning them, I'm going to deliver them. So stay tuned for that. Alright? Hi guys, I'm out here at the cheese shop where they're having their, what do they call it? Wine tasting. Wonder what that one means. Slow salt H2O. I'll have to ask. Hey, how are ya?
Hi Trish, how are you doing?
Good. How'd you guys do with the flooding today?
Oh, well, don't you see the water line? It didn't come in.
Oh, really? Oh, good.
It came up to the door.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I see it out there. Look at this, guys. I'm glad you guys didn't take in water. I was worried about that. Hello, how are you?
I'm good, how are you? How's it going?
All is well. Oh. Let's see, what should I get? I was hoping to meet Sophia and Scott here, but maybe it's early in the game. Hey, me, what you wanna do? I really love you. Lake Avenue was pretty flooded with water, but thankfully it didn't come in the shop today. Alright. Alright. You know what? Thanks. Hold on. I'll put that down for a minute. Got something for Liz and the gang. Man, what you gonna do? Alright guys, I'm gonna pay for this. I'll sign off. Catch you later. Alright folks, I'm over here at the yacht club. I'm going to go on top of that bridge and take a few stills because I haven't been doing much photography lately. So I figured go up there, take a few stills and call it a night. Go home, have dinner, have a little wine, and relax, listen to some music. And that's where we're at. Here's the docks. Maybe this looks like a beautiful place for still. Alright guys, I'll see you mañana. Here's the other side of the yacht club bridge. Oh, I didn't show you this side of the yacht club. Alright, I'm going to pan around this side a little bit. And then, oh, see this house right there? That's Chip's house, and, wait a minute, yeah, that's Chip's house, and that's Benny and Tom's house. Alright, there's the Junior Yacht Club. Now this is, yeah, that's the Junior Yacht Club, that's the Yacht Club. What was Dale building? I don't know. I think, I'm not sure what it's called now. If anybody has information on that, that would be very much appreciated. Let's see if we can get to pick the yacht club here. Alright guys, like I said, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good night.